Hello, my name is Quint McKee with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck, here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to take a look at stock number 12556. Again, that's stock number 12556, which is an Isuzu NPR HD gas crew cab. Now, Isuzu comes out with two different engine models for this N-Series, the gas and the diesel. However, this particular model is a 6-liter V8 gas married to a 6-speed Isuzu transmission that's an automatic shift. Now, most of you are probably very familiar with the Isuzu product. Maybe you've run them in the past or you're currently running them. But Isuzu's been the market share leader for over 35 years in the Class 3 through Class 5 cab over range. Now, what that means, cab over, means the cab is literally over the engine or over the front axle. They actually boast over 75% market share in this current market. The first thing you're probably going to notice about this truck is its cab over design, like I alluded to earlier. That cab over design comes with some really nice inherent qualities, mainly of which maneuverability and visibility. So your tight turning radiuses or your cul-de-sacs are easy to be maneuverable and visible out of this truck. Now, this is the NPR HD, which is going to give you 14,500 GVW, which is going to give you plenty of payload capacity to get your product, your equipment from job site to job site, while still keeping you well below the CDL range. Now, Isuzu's done a couple really nice features that I want to point out, one of which is actually the memory stay technology on the arm brackets here. So not only are you going to be able to bend them in tight turning radiuses or tight spots, but also if they ding it, all you got to do is pop it back out and it stays right where it's at. Also, a rear marker light or a side marker light here is going to alert the people to your side that you're going to be shifting lanes, and so it just increases your safety rating from there. Now, I did say this is a crew cab, so we'll go and take a look at the back seat here and look how spacious it is. If the cameraman can take a really good look inside of it, you'll notice just how spacious the thing is. It is going to be a 4-man bench that's going to have 4 legal seat belts here. And so you can operate your crew safely. If you're going to have a commercial grade job site, you can have more than 3 people in the front seat. You can have up to 7 people legally in this truck. We'll take a look up front. And Isuzu's done a really good job engineering this cab. Using the grab handles here, getting in and out of this cab is super, super easy. You'll have a 2-man bench with a 1-man captain seat. This captain seat is going to be fully adjustable, so you can glide and recline. And you couple that with tilt telescopic. Any driver of any size can fit in this truck comfortably and safely. This 2-man bench will come complete with a in-cab workstation. So if you guys want to get out of the elements, get inside the cab, they can do their job reviews or their log books from inside the cab, out of the elements or out from any kind of moving traffic. You'll have your power locks, power windows, as well as your AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth player, AC, and again, it is a 6-speed automatic transmission, so it's a turnkey, put it in drive, and go operation. Multi-information dash display right here will give your guys some critical data points while still keeping his eyes straight forward, focusing on the road. And if the cameraman take a really good look at the front, you'll see exactly what I mean by the visibility. It's an 8-foot driver to ground rating, which means I can see the ground 8 feet in front of me. Now, if you marry that against some of our competition that's conventional, you're up to about 20, 25 feet in lieu of that 8 feet. So it's really key, especially in the neighborhoods. We'll take a look at the back here. And if the cameraman take a really good look at the side frame, it is going to be a clean side frame, which means you can put any kind of toolboxes or rattle cages or whatever you want to back here. And we can do that here at our body shop as well. It will be a spring ride hydraulic brake combination, most like all the other cab overs out there. Now, while we make our way to the back, I do want to point out that a lot of people just see a 16-foot white box going down the road. But in Industrial Power, we actually see the opportunity to turn your fuel dollars into advertising dollars by turning this to a rolling billboard by putting either a simple decal system or even a full customizable wrap that we can do here at the body shop. You will literally turn your fuel dollars into advertising dollars and just increase the level of exposure for your company. Now, here in the back, we are going to have some Industrial Power designed dovetail ramps. Here in Industrial Power, we've done a really good job over the years of listening to what our landscape partners want. And so we have gone ahead and boosted the spring system here, as well as added more structural steel here to give it a more sturdy design. Now this expanded metal is great for a couple reasons. One, traction, and two, any kind of soot, dirt, or mud that may be on the boots will actually fall through here and not track into your box. The pitch here is great for your zero turns or any kind of rolling equipment you may have. And again, it is a split dovetail design. So if you don't need both of them down, you can leave one up and bring one down, or bring both of them down, especially for your zero turns. This particular box is going to be a blank canvas. It'll be plywood lined all the way around, so it's going to give you the ability to fully customize this thing to match whatever kind of blower racks, water racks, weed eater racks, whatever you need, we can do here. We can even build you some shelves up front with this expanded metal to house any kind of rakes or whatever you need. So I think we've done a really good job of taking a look around this truck. If you have any specific questions, go to our website and type in the stock number and put an inquiry in. One of our salesmen will contact you directly. Go to our LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook pages. We're always updating our inventory, so keep an eye on our website. I appreciate you taking the time to look at this vehicle. Have a great day.